So I saw the super cool toolkit from Fanttik. It seemed like a fantastic idea for working on my RC cars. So what do you say we check out the toolkit and put it to use, and then I'll come back and let you know if I liked it or if it sucked. I do need to tell you they provided it to me, but with full range to say I like it or I suck, whatever I want to say. So let's check it out, see how it is. The thing that really caught my eye and said that I wanted to try this is it is this powered driver, right? But all the tools are included right here in this cap, which was so cool because frequently when I'm out playing with these things, I don't want to bring a whole big old toolkit. But if I could take this, throw it in my truck, and when I break it, pull it out and fix it, that would be awesome, right? Ooh, look, it's got a little LED. How cool is that? Feels like it's got some real torque to it too. One thing left to do, let me put this to work. You can quietly watch in the background, and then I'll come back, let you know how well it worked out. So yeah, pun on words, it was fantastic. I have to say, this is, for this application, just such a perfect choice because it's got speed, but not crazy speed. It's got power, but not crazy power, so you're not stripping out things. It's super flexible, easy to use, and it locks up nicely. So when you get to the all the way tight in terms of the power it has, you could then control it manually to finish it just to get the right tightness. Overall, if you're looking for a great small power driver for just light work, and you could be anything around the house, right? Fixing a drawer, putting together some furniture for your kids, electronics work, all that kind of stuff, this would be a great thing just to have in a drawer sitting there waiting for you. In the end, I'm going to say this is fantastic. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.